Hi, my name is Debbie Fowler, and today I want to talk about 5 best Chrome extensions for marketing. But before I do, please remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. Now, if you're anything like me, then your head is always full of to-do lists and passwords and reading material. There are so many other things you can't possibly remember to do them all. Sometimes we just need a little help. There are plenty of resources available to make life easier, so here are just a few to help you get organized. Let's dive in. First, to find Chrome extensions, just go to Google and search Chrome extension. Then click on Chrome Web Store. Now, the first one I want to talk about is called Nimbus Screenshot. In the search bar, type Nimbus Screenshot. If you haven't added it before, then you just need to click on Add to Chrome. With Nimbus, you can capture the web page, so either part of it or the whole browser window. You can edit your screenshots, you can record screencasts, and they're all in a very user-friendly interface. So let's say you just want to capture a selected area. You can choose what you want to select. If you like it, just click the check. If you want to edit it, click the pencil. Let's say you want to edit it. You can add text, arrows, shapes, and so much more. If you don't like it, you can just undo. Now, if you're fine with it, then click Done. So you can create a free account and send it to colleagues or friends, but you can also save it to your desktop, you can send it to Google Drive, or if you have Slack, you can actually send it there. Now, I find Nimbus to be very useful, so I encourage you to check it out and see what kind of features that you really like and you're going to get some use out of. Number 2, Grammarly. Now, Grammarly is a glorified spell checker. Just plop text for your next blog post or email, and it can identify improper grammar, word usage, punctuation, overused words, and so much more. It also suggests changes so you can spend less time editing, which is really nice. If you agree with the changes, all you have to do is just click on the correction and it automatically changes it in the document. It's very useful if you're unsure where to put those pesky commas. Number 3, Save to Pocket. I love Save to Pocket. It allows you to tag references, reading materials, and other examples for use later with just one click. The tags you assign will allow you to sort them so you keep them organized, like if you want a blog post or a task or assignment. So it's very useful if you're doing research or if you want to refer back to something later. I did a whole video on how to use Save to Pocket, so I will put that link in the description below. Number 4, Gippy for Chrome. Search GIFs and add them to social media posts and emails by dragging and dropping. So it's fast and easy with a massive library of relevant images, leaving you more time for drafting meaningful content. All you have to do is click on the link to the GIF you want, copy that link, and paste it into your social media platform. Number 5, OneTab. If you are like me, then you probably have tons of websites open all at once. So the top of your screen looks like these toothpick-sized things you can't possibly even click on, let alone know what they are. So if that sounds familiar, then this is an awesome extension you need to check out. It's called OneTab. With one click of a button, it will close all those web pages and save all their URLs into one tab for future reference later. Now you can feel better about closing those tabs knowing you can quickly and easily return to them at any time. All of these extensions should get you organized down the path to time saving, organizing your thoughts, and creating more content to increase traffic and conversions. Now, by keeping you sane, these tools will reduce stress and condense your ideas into a more easy to remember place. I hope you got some value out of today's video. Please don't forget to like this video and leave your comments below. Let me know what are your favorite Chrome extensions. All right, I hope we talk soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment below, and remember to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. I'll see you in the next video.